welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a short video, real simple. Got some new wheels for the AMG, and I'm going to get those put on. Hopefully you'll follow along with us. All right, guys, we just pulled in here at Firestone. My appointment's in about 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and go on in and see if we can't get these things put on. We'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, that didn't work out very well. Went in, told him I was there for an appointment. Guy looked up my name in the computer. When you know it, nothing there. Said system must have went down when they got me. I was trying to get my appointment scheduled online. He said the system must have went down. So no appointment for me, no wheels for me. Said it'd be Monday before I could do it. Aww. So now what am I supposed to do today? My whole day's just shot. I could go to Bojangles, Lowe's, I don't know, maybe Home Depot, Bed Bath & Beyond, I don't know. Maybe hit the Harbor Freight. Just beats all I ever. Anyway, no wheels today. So I guess I'll see you guys Monday. Bright and early at the Firestone. Be there. Because if I'm not ready then, I'm going to need some backup. So, Firestone, 10 o'clock. Be there.
2 days later.
Hey guys, it's Monday. I'm on my way back to Firestone, see if I can get these tires put on these rims. Then I'm headed back to the house, do a little before and after, see if we can't get these things put on the E55. Stay with us.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I have a house over in Kingsport, and I'm fixing it up and just sell it. And
You said how many of these were made?
less than 300.
Less than 300 in that color. Beautiful. All right, guys, just left Firestone. Got the tires put on the rims. I think it looks awesome. Can't wait to sit on the car. Headed back to the house right now. Drop these off, then I got to go get the kids from school. They're getting out a little bit early today because of the eclipse, but I don't think they're going to see anything. It's too cloudy. They ain't going to be able to see it.
Not today.
Hopefully this looks really good on the car. I'm really excited about it. Wonder what Rusty's doing. No.
Me?
Yeah.
Man, don't worry about that.
All right, let's do a real quick walk around here. You can see the stock look. Stock, these are a staggered setup. In the front, it is a 18 by 8, and then in the back, it's an 18 by 9. I didn't go too extreme. I'm only going to go up to 19 8 by 8s. I'm sorry, 19 by 8.5s in the front and 19 by 9.5s in the rear. So sorry I had to do this inside. It started to rain, so I have to do it in here. All right, let me get these things put on. Let's see what it looks like. All right, got everything put on. It looks awesome. Here's the big reveal. And I don't know if you can hear those chickens in the background, but they're pretty excited too. So hopefully you guys, hopefully you like the look. I love it. Here you go.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.